Alright, today it's April 14th, 2023, Easter Friday, Big Friday I would say, the Holy Friday. And the time right now it's 6:40 in the evening, a little before sunset. We had a few days of rain and windy and colder weather. When we say cold, it was around 14-13 degrees in the night. And back to the good weather again. The temperature right now it's 19 degrees. And we're driving towards the Paphos Harbour. They said they opened the Poseidonos Avenue. Let's see what if they really open it. And which direction. I don't think it's open on both directions. The restaurants and the shops around that area, they complain because it was closed and it was killing the business. The road was closed. It was a disaster to go from the one side to the other side. So they said they're opening now, at least temporarily, for the Easter time. I didn't go that direction the last few days, so I'm going now to see. It's a big cruise outside the harbour. We'll see in a few minutes, in a few seconds. Alright, looks like the road is actually still closed. Don't tell me if it was open. Okay, big cruise down there. A lot of tourists around. This cruise ship. Okay, and how they mean they open the road? The road is closed. Maybe for the weekend, maybe open for the, I don't know. I have to change those wipes. A lot of tourists around. Can't see. How they open the road? Let's see if they can go at least round. It's still closed over there, so yeah.